Is your Telegram account showing an account frozen message and you can't use certain features? Usually, this problem happens when Telegram detects unusual activity, spam behavior, too many messages being sent, or possible violations of their policies. First, open your browser on your phone or computer. Now go to Google and search for Telegram support. Open the official Telegram support page from the search results. Once the page loads, you'll see a support request form where you can explain your issue directly to Telegram. In the message or description box, clearly explain that your Telegram account has been frozen and that you would like help restoring access. Try to keep your message polite and simple. For example, you can mention that you believe the restriction was a mistake or that you want to recover your account access. Next, enter your full legal name in the required field. After that, type the email address connected to your Telegram account so Telegram can contact you. Now, in addition, enter your Telegram phone number carefully, including your country code. Before submitting the form, double-check all the information to make sure everything is correct. Once ready, tap the Submit button. Telegram support will review your request, and in many cases, you may receive a response within a few hours or sometimes a few days, depending on the situation. While waiting, avoid creating multiple new accounts or repeatedly logging in and out, because this can sometimes delay the recovery process.